In this video, we're going to explore a simple C program that converts your height from feet to centimeters. We start by including two header files, standard input-output for functions like printf and fgets, and standard library for the atof function, which converts a string to a floating point number. Next, we declare two variables. The first is a float called height_in_cm, which will store the final result of our conversion. A float is required to hold the result of a mathematical calculation, because the result may include a decimal value. The second is a character array called height_in_feet, which holds the user's input as a string. Its size is set to 10 characters to allow for decimal values like 6.25 or even 12.75. We then use printf to prompt the user to enter their height in feet. Notice that we don't include a newline character here, because when the user presses enter, the cursor naturally moves to the next line. To read the input, we use fgets, which safely reads a line of text from the keyboard. The second argument, size of height_in_feet, tells the function how many characters to read. In this case, up to 9 characters plus 1 for the null terminator. This ensures we don't accidentally read more characters than the array can hold, which helps prevent buffer overflows. The third argument to fgets is for standard input. This is the default input stream in C, and it typically refers to the keyboard. So when the user types their height and presses enter, fgets reads that input from standard input and stores it in our string variable. After we get the input, we use atof to convert the string to a float. This is important because it allows us to handle decimal values, like 6.1 feet. We then multiply that number by 30.48, since 1 foot equals 30.48 centimeters. The result is stored in our float variable. Finally, we use printf to display the result. The formatting string %.2f ensures that only 2 digits appear after the decimal point, making the output clean and easy to read. And that's it. A simple and safe way to convert your height from feet to centimeters using C. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more programming tutorials.